Good morning, jr4. Today we will solve worksheet number 7 about lesson 3, concept 2. Okay. The first one, when jr4 hear the sound of moving snake, it jump quickly. It will jump quickly. It will jump quickly. Quickly run away from this. Number 2, the system responsible for removing your hand away from danger, such as touching a hot cup of tea, is the nervous system. Number 3, when snakes make a noise, the sensory receptors found in jerboas make a noise. So sensory receptors of the ears. Number 4, when your hand touches the spines of cactus plant, it's withdrawn in less than 1 second. The reaction time will be less than 1 second. Number 5, during crossing a street, you had to stop for a moment to avoid the danger of being hit by a car. The system that alerted you was the nervous system. Okay? Okay, jr4? Okay. After that, put right or wrong. Okay? The body senses and systems work separately when animals run away from their enemies. Wrong. The body sensors and system work together. All of them work together. So it will be wrong. Number 2, the Egyptian jerboa lives in forests. Wrong. Number 3, jerboa has large ears which help in the sensing the snake. Right. Number 4, the Egyptian jerboa can jump for long distance depending on its long hind legs. It's right. Okay. Hopping off the jerboa in zigzag pattern to run away from danger is considered as a structural adaptation. Wrong. It's a behavioral adaptation because it's an action. Okay. Number 6, the large ears of jerboa is an example of structural adaptation. It's right. Number 7, the last one, the habitat of the jerboa is similar to that of the polar bear. Wrong. Okay, jr4. After that, write the scientific term, species of dither rodent with a small body part. With a small body part. Species of dither rodents with a small body, large ears, and long hind legs, jerboa. Number 2, the shape of path taken by jerboa while running away, zigzag path. Number 3, the time taken by an organism to respond to different reactions around it, so it will be the reaction time. Number 4, system work inside the human body such that keeps the organism away from danger, nervous system. Number 5, the organ which receive and process the message, the brain. Okay? You have, in the next question, you have to differentiate between the senses and the organs. The first one, you like the scent of your classmates' perfume, it's by the smell. Sense, smell, but the organ knows, responsible organ knows. Number 2, walking over a very hot sand on the beach. Okay, so it's like the sense touch, okay, and the organ skin. Number 3, eating food with a high salt component, taste. Okay, and the responsible organ is the tongue. Number 4, listening to music, hearing, and the responsible organ, ears. Number 5, watching the stars in the sky at night by the sense of sight, and the responsible organ will be the eyes. Okay, junior 4? Okay. After that, we have to solve worksheet number 8 about lesson 4 and 5. Okay, number 1. Reaction time can be estimated from the time between sending message, number B, sending message to the brain number B, sending message to the brain by the sensory receptors and suitable response. Okay, number 2, the shorter the reaction time, the faster prey can run away from the predator. Okay, number 3, the reaction time is always less than 1 second. Less than 1 second. Number 4, sensory receptors, brain and nervous, they work together with each other. Number B, work together with each other. Okay? After that, number 5, the reaction time has an important effect in all of the following situations, except what? Plants, some types of plants in garden. مش محتاج فيها, we don't need the reaction time. Okay? After that, number 6, when you see a car coming towards you, sensory receptors in eye send a signal to the brain first. So the answer will be number B. Number 7, the brain can explain what you see faster than what you hear because visual response time is faster than audio. Okay? Number C. Because the eye and the heart, the nerves of eye and heart are directly connected with the brain. Okay? Number 8, when you hear a fire and smell a smoke odor, all of the following play a role, except what? The digestive system. Except the digestive system. Okay? After that, put right or wrong. Number 1, the body can respond to more than one external stimuli at the same time. You're right. Right. Number 2, the two people may respond differently to bright light by closing their eyes because the reaction time varies depending on their sight strength. Right. Number 3, the brain responds to the auditory stimuli faster than the visual. No. Number 4, the response to danger begins with the sensory receptors. Right. Number 4, reaction time should be as long as possible so an animal can think how to run away. Reaction time should be as long as possible? No. Number 6, different body muscles play an important role in completing the response to danger and running away from it. It's right. Number 7, if the nervous system works well, but the animal doesn't have enough energy to escape, it can be hunted by the predator. It's right. Number 8, visual reaction time varies from one species to another. Also right. Okay, after that you have to solve with me worksheet 8, also worksheet 8, but about lesson 5. Okay, number 1, the nervous system do all the following functions except what? Falling on rains. If you smell smoke from something burning, there is a integration or a relation between, in this situation, respiratory system and nervous system. You smell, after that the nervous system works. Okay, number 3, your sensation of thunder and lightning depend on your senses of sight and hearing. Thunder and lightning, so sight and hearing. Okay, after that you open the door of your house and you heard a doorbell. What is the arrangement or the sequence of message inside your body in this situation? Number 1, ears. Brain, feet, and hand. Number 5, you pass the football to player in your team. Which of the following statement explain the sequence of the message inside your body in this situation? Brain, nervous, feet. Number 6, that play a great role in the functioning of the nervous system, the brain. Your sensation of hot weather depends on the sensory receptors in the skin. You feel hot weather, so it's a feeling. Number 8, closing your eye quickly when light rays fall on them represent as a reflex action. The last question, put right or wrong. Put right or wrong. The brain sends automatic signal so that we can breathe, right, automatically. Number 2, the bones carry information from sensory organs to the brain in the form of electrical impulse. The bones, no, the nerves. Number 3, the spinal cord deliver message between the brain and the feet. Yes. Number 4, sensory receptors in your fingers can distinguish between smooth and rough. Right. Number 5, parts of the nervous system work together. Right, to process information and send signals. Right. Number 6, if your teacher asks you to take the pen out of your bag and use it to write, and you did, that means that the message your ear received reached your hand directly? No, the brain. Number 7, sensory organs are responsible for processing information. Sensory organs are responsible for process information. Right. Okay. Okay. See you next week, junior 4. Bye-bye.